Okay, for those of you who are more visual and you wanted to see how this is done by video, I'm going to walk you through the installation and configuration of Facebook for WordPress plugin. You want to go to your WordPress dashboard and go to your Plugins tab, and then go to Add New. In your search box, type in Facebook, and then search Plugins. You can see that there's a list of Facebook plugins that are populated. The first one is the one we're looking for, the WordPress plugin for Facebook. You want to install now. Click OK. And then you're going to activate the plugin. When the plugin is activated, you're going to scroll down to where it's located in your list of plugins and click Settings. You can see here in my main settings that my App ID, App Secret, and Namespace are already configured. That's because I have a Facebook app already. If you do not have a Facebook app, you need to make one before you can move on in this configuration process. You can click on this link for Developers Facebook, and it will look like this. Scroll to the top and click on Apps, and then Create New App. Type in your app name. It can be anything you want. You can also put in a namespace, but you don't have to. You can skip over that and continue. Okay, now you're going to see the configurations for your Facebook app. You can see that the name that you put in is here, your email, and you can select a category for your app. Next, you're going to scroll down to Website with Facebook Login. For this, you want to click on that, copy and paste your URL for the site that you're linking. And if you want to do mobile web or any of the other options on the page, you can select those and enter the information and then save changes. Okay, you can see that the changes have been saved. Next, you want to enter a picture that you're going to use for your app logo. I'm going to browse your images. And now your app will have whatever image loaded when you look at it on your Facebook page. Our changes have now been saved, and you'll want to copy and paste your app ID and your app secret back into your WordPress dashboard in the app ID and app secret places. If you have not set up or configured your plugin before, it will be listed all the way at the bottom of the main instructions. Click Save, and then you will be presented with a page like this. Next is going to be setting up your page and post settings. The Social Publisher is going to be one of your most useful tools in this plugin. It's going to allow you to publish to an author's Facebook timeline and fan page, as well as mention Facebook friends and pages. This will allow your article to appear not only in your Facebook timeline, but it also ensures that people who may not necessarily have seen your Facebook post in their feed will get it directly in their timeline. You can publish to an author's timeline. You can publish to a fan page if you link your WordPress account. And you can show mentions on your home page if somebody mentions your brand, or if you mention somebody, it will link to both Facebook timeline pages. You can select where the mentions are posted. They can be at the top or the bottom or both. The like button is also a feature you're going to want to check and make sure that that's enabled. That's going to allow anybody who likes your content to have a link back to your site on their newsfeed. That helps to get your content shared more widely. You can also do the same thing and share it at both the top and the bottom to make sure that it's seen. You can show it on your home page, and you can configure any of these settings to how you specifically want your content to be displayed on your timeline and your friends' timelines. The subscribe button allows anyone to subscribe to your public updates, so they don't necessarily have to be a Facebook fan or like your page in order to see your content. I'm not going to check that box, but you can if you choose. The send button allows users to easily send content to their friends. That's also a great feature. The comments box allows for comments to be listed under your article in your main site, as well as appear on your Facebook timeline. This is a really great feature so that you can have people engaging more widely from your Facebook site to your website. You're going to click Save Changes. And everything should be configured the way you want it. In order to check, you're going to go and view your site. Click on one of your articles. And you can see that the like and send buttons are already showing up at the top of the article, as well as anybody who likes the article. Down at the bottom, you would see if anybody had commented on Facebook, and it gives a box showing who is logged in so that they can comment direct from their Facebook account as well. You will also see some changes from within the dashboard. If you create a new post or if you have a draft that's not published yet, you can scroll down to the mentioned Facebook pages. You can type in any of the names that you would like to mention. Here I wrote about WordPress and Facebook, so I entered them in there to make sure that this article shows up on their Facebook timelines. You can include a message if you want to, and you can also include any mentions of friends that you want to ensure sees this article. My friend Abhishek helped me with the video, so I included him so he could see the final result. That's all there is for installing and configuring your Facebook for WordPress plugin. Give it a try and let us know what you think.